अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, सियासत.com पर आप सबका इस्तकबाल है। एक तरफ सारे रियासत तेलंगाना में तेलंगाना के पहले यौम तासीस के पुरमसरत मौके पर खुशियाँ ही खुशियाँ और जश्न का माहौल है, तो दूसरी तरफ तलबा में गुस्सा व गम पाया जा रहा है। हुकूमत की जानिब से किए गए वादों को पूरा ना करने पर उस्मानिया यूनिवर्सिटी के तलबा में शदीद गम व गुस्सा पाया जा रहा है। यौम तासीस के मौके पर बजाय जश्न के मातम की तरह काले झंडे लगाए गए। उस्मानिया यूनिवर्सिटी कैंपस में तलबा ने हुकूमत तेलंगाना की जानिब से उस्मानिया यूनिवर्सिटी के अराज़ी पर मकानात की तामीर के ऐलान के ख़िलाफ़ उस्मानिया यूनिवर्सिटी ता यादगार शहीदान रैली निकालने की कोशिश की, जिसको तलबा की गिरफ्तारी के ज़रिए पुलिस ने नाकाम बना दिया।
ఆదివాసుల సమాధులపైన ఉత్సవాల సిగ్గు 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 ఆదివాసుల సమాధులపై ఉత్సవాల సిగ్గు 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 భూములు మాఫియాకిస్తూ ఉత్సవాల వెనక్కి తీసుకోవాలి కబ్జాకు గురైన ఉస్మానియా భూములను వెనక్కి తీసుకోవాలి కబ్జాకు గురైన ఉస్మానియా భూములను వెనక్కి తీసుకోవాలి. It's true. First thing is, in the formation itself, the Telangana present government, KCR, has sacrificed the lakhs of 3 lakhs Adivasis who have been submerged under the Polavaram. This is the first issue. And when you look at the 1-year ruling, majorly the youth have been betrayed because their inspirations for sacrifice and everything has, one of the major demands for Telangana movement has been the issue of employment as well as issue of education. But when you see the entire year's ruling, there has been no notification whatsoever for the year. He has been telling...
So no new jobs have really been created for the youth, whereas it was in the dreams of those jobs that many of the youth in fact participated.
Yes. Not even a single job has been created, but he has been giving all the time paper statements that, he will create jobs. But when you see the Andhra Pradesh government, they have created 30,000 jobs, which is in kind of low budget. But when Telangana state is running in surplus budget, how can it cannot create a single job? This shows the intentions of the Telangana government.
In fact, there has been a lot of agitation here. Telangana University is not being appointed.
Yes, ma'am. Lands by KCR himself, he spoke to the media saying that Usmania has 2,500 acres land. But from that, now presently Usmania has 1,400 acres land. We are questioning where the rest of the land has gone. By USL, if you claim that the rest of the land has been occupied, it is your duty to take back the land and give it to the university. That is one thing. The other thing is, for the past 1 year, there has been no VC appointed in the universities. This is curbing the autonomy of the universities and taking the university into control of the IAS and the government. So this is at large affecting the education, higher education institutions in the Telangana.
आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? आपका सबसे बड़ा डिमांड क्या रहेगा और आज सेलिब्रेशन क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं आप लोग? एक साल तो आप तेलंगाना चाह रहे थे कि बर्थडे मनाया जाए। तेलंगाना जब पैदा हुआ तो आप लोग नाचे थे रोड पर।
नहीं, हम जिस तेलंगाना के लिए लड़े थे वो तेलंगाना हम हासिल नहीं करे अब तक। जो टीआरएस का गवर्नमेंट है अब तक जो पूरा तमाम तेलंगाना लोगों का इरादा है, ख्वाहिश है, अब तक वो पूरा नहीं करे। इसलिए तुम क्या करा बोल के, लोगों को क्या फ़ायदा मिला बोल के तुम सेलिब्रेशंस कर रहे, इसलिए हम ये सेलिब्रेशंस को
Black flag demonstration. So the students and some other organizations.